Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on connecting Bluetooth devices to your Android TV. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by hitting the Home button on your remote. From the home screen of your TV, go to the top right and click on Settings. In Settings, scroll down to the Network and Accessories heading, and then select Bluetooth Settings. In Bluetooth Settings, click Add Device. It will now search for your device. You'll need to make sure that the Bluetooth device is turned on, not paired to any other device, and you should also put it into pairing mode if it has it. Select your device from the list to start pairing with it. It will tell you that it's paired once it worked. Your Bluetooth device is now paired with your Android TV. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android TV tips and tricks.